What?
Whoa! No! Hey, stop! Horsey, stop! Stop, Sid boy! Stop it! Yeah! Sid, I said! Whoa!
It's you! It's you! It's you! It's you! It's you! It's really you!
What's me?
There's a snake in my boot.
Ha! It is you!
Please stop saying that.
Prospector said someday you'd come. Sweet mother of Abraham Lincoln, the prospector! He'll want to meet ya! Say hello to the prospector!
It's a box.
He's mint in the box. Never been opened.
Turn me around, Bullseye, so I can see. Why, the prodigal son has returned.
Yeah! It's you! It's you! You're here! It's you! It's you! It's you!
Okay, I'm officially freaked out now.
Oh, we've waited countless years for this day. It's good to see you, Woody.
Listen, I don't know what... Hey, how do you know my name?
Everyone knows your name, Woody.
Why, you don't know who you are, do you?